Hello everybody, today we have a challenge. We're gonna change my laptop screen, which I have bought with laptop-lcd-screen.co.uk. So let's see what the company sent to us. It's quite interesting. A lot of bubbles and a screen. Important is to look if it is the right one, but it's okay. So what happened with my screen? My screen is broken. I will show you. Look, it's a nice white line, and that's it. There's nothing to it. So it's totally killed. Let's put this off. So to change the screen is quite simple. The first, you got the black curve around it. Just put your nails between it, just small, and you pull it, just slowly. If you pull it, you will see it will come off like this. You can do it. Don't use a screwdriver, just use your small nails, just tearing a little bit. If you do that, you will see the screen. There are only 4 screws to unscrew. If you do that, that's enough. So let's take a screwdriver, just a small screwdriver. Don't lose the screws. And then you will see, you just can take it out. See? This is the screen. I use a small mouse pad to put it on this one. Oops. Unplug it like this. Interesting is it was already a little loosened because I practiced this before. So let's take the screen. Be very careful with it. It is anti-static. There's an anti-static bag. Be gentle to open it. And leave it on the bed, like this. You see? Let's turn it around. And we compare it. And they are exactly the same. So we're going to remove the bad one and we're going to take the new one. Yeah, you put the screws back. Remember to be gentle. Take the time. So, and then we can test it. There we go. Ta-da! Of course. Last things we have to remove, of course, is the sealing. See? Ta-da! There we go. The small magnet jumped out. Finished. Thank you very much for the support, and thank you very much for the supplier. The supplier has delivered an excellent screen.